What is up, guys? Welcome back to Fruitful Soul TV. Fruitful Farms, how on a day waiting the happen up so on a day, alright.
Firing everywhere in the Imo State House of Assembly right now over the suspension of 5 honorable members by the Speaker of the House. There are sporadic gunshots right now at the Imo State House of Assembly, and people are scampering for their lives. The Speaker and his colleagues are scampering for their own lives. They have left the complex right now. Sporadic gunshots everywhere. See the House of Assembly full of talks, full of touts. The Imo State House of Assembly, the Night House led by Paul Emeziem. He has been bundled out by thugs. He arranged for this particular sitting, bundled out by thugs.